Hello everybody, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I live in Warrington, up north in the UK. We're here today, well I'm here today to announce the sock yarn giveaway for September. It's a special type of yarn today because September's a special month for me because it's my birthday month. And I thought I wanted to celebrate this month with you all, so I've got some lovely sock yarn to share with you and some notions as well. So let me just get them. So we have got this beautiful Adventures in Yarncraft sock yarn, and this is Lemon Drizzle, and it's a merino sock yarn, fingering sock weight 4-ply, 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon, and it's 400 meters and it's 100 grams. So you've got the little contrast for the heel and toe or the cuff, and then you've got the yarn. So we've got that. Then you've got your stitch markers, you've got your tapestry needles, you've got a 2.59 inch circular needle, and a lovely Be Kind keyring that Arjun designed for me. So yeah, so that is the prize. You don't need to put any words or anything, just make sure that you leave a thumbs up and a comment. And this goes live today on the 10th until the 15th, and I'll announce the winner on the 17th. So it's only a short giveaway. So yeah, so the 10th, which is today, this goes live. It closes on Friday, which is the 15th, and I'll announce the winner on Sunday the 17th. So all the rules and regulations are in the description box below, and you need to be 18 years and over. I do post worldwide, I always have done, and this is purchased by me. YouTube has no say, you know, no what's the word I'm looking, has no is not involved with my giveaway. This is all solely down to me. As I said, the rules and regulations are in the description box below. All you need to do is leave a thumbs up and a comment. You do need to be subscribed to my channel, because this is my way of saying thank you for being so amazing subscribers. If you want to share this video out, that would be awesome. You don't have to, but if you do, I would be so much appreciative. The more people that know about me, the nicer the prizes will be. So yeah, I'm going to be away. Rick and I are taking a city break for my birthday weekend, and really looking forward to that. So really love September, mainly because I'm going to get a year older. I shouldn't really, but I'm going to be a year older. So I hope all is well with everybody. Thank you all so much for being here, for being such amazing supporters, and I hope you enjoy taking part. And as I said, the winner will be announced for this on the 17th of September. So take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly guys, as I always say, really do be kind to you. Mwah. Bye everyone.